So good afternoon, guys. I'm making myself dinner tonight. So you need 4 banana capsicums like that, sweet, the sweet banana capsicums, 3 chicken thigh fillet, and right here, let's start the cooking process. So now, you wanna use the large saucepan, large frying pan, that much of oil, make it nice and even. That much of oil, because it's a large frying pan, and you're gonna use the lid. So right here, I'll put salt and magenta on the chicken, just the chicken, the chicken thighs. Put salt and magenta, and put it all together, then put the lid on. So it looks like this, on the medium heat. Then so turn them around like so, and then put the salt and vegeta on just the chicken and cover the lid. Of course, I've turned the capsicum as well, the banana capsicum, sweet, I've turned them as well around. So I've turned them around, even the capsicums and the chicken, and now put just salt on the capsicums because it has to be salty because I like it. So put the lid back on and let it cook for about a couple of minutes, 3 minutes. So right here, I'll turn them around, put the lid back on and cook them for 2-3 minutes with the lid closed. Soon we're gonna put diced Italian tomatoes and garlic powder. So right here, I'm turning them around. Now put the capsicum in each pot, and now put the lid back on and cook it, fry it. So with the lid on, of course, So right here, I've turned the chicken, the capsicums. Now I'm gonna put the tomato can, the diced Italian tomato can. So it looks like this, and then just put some garlic powder on top. That's too much, that's enough. That's enough, just put garlic powder, cover the lid. So I've also put some water in there as well, just a little bit of water. Look at it simmering. That's all done on the medium heat. So now turn it all around and let it simmer for a couple of more minutes and that's cooked. So guys, that is cooked, that is fried, whatever you want to call it. Amke's kitchen, Amke's dinner tonight. So thanks guys for watching. Bon appetit, Amia. See you later.